Okay, skip to Milou. This is how it should sound. Okay, the left hand for this one is in middle C position, going C, B, A, G, F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the right hand, as we can see, the three black keys, the note just to the left is F, so it's in F position. F, G, A, B, C. One other thing we need to know before we begin is that the B notes are not going to be white keys, they're going to be black keys, B flat. Pieces in the key of F major means all the B notes should be played as flats rather than as white keys. So we'll run through it, just separate hands first and just the finger numbers. So the right hand begins with 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 4, which is the B flat, 4, 3, 5. Then it goes 2, 2. Now the thumb has to move down one note to play E with the thumb. So 1, 1, then 2 again, 3, 2, and B flat again, 4. 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 4, 3, and the highest note, 5, which is high C, 2 black keys, C just to the left. Then we go 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 1 again. Now the left hand, that plays 5, 3, and 1 together. Does it again. Plays 5, 2, and 1. Remembering the 2 is the black key, B flat. Does it again. Goes back to 5, 3, and 1. And again. 5, 2, and 1. And finally back to 5, 3, and 1. So the two hands together now. We have 5, 3, and 1 on the left, 3 on the right. 3, 1, 1, 5, 3, and 1 with 3. B flat, 4, 3, 5, 5, 2, and 1. Remember in the black key with 2 on the right. Thumb steps down one note, 1, 1, which is an E. It goes back, and we have 5, 2, and 1 left, 2 right. 3, 2, and black key, B flat, 4. 5, 3, and 1 with 3 on the right. 3, 1, 1, 5, 3, and 1 with 3 on the right. 4, 3, 5, 5, 2, and 1 again with 2 on the right. 3, 4, 3, 2, 5, 3, and 1 left with 1 on the right. And I want to finish off. Good. Okay, now the note names. F, A, C left with A right. A, F, F, same again, F, A, C, and A. B flat, A, C. F, B flat, C with G. Thumb and E. F, B flat, C with G again. A, G, B flat. F, A, C with A. F, A, and C again with A. B flat, A, and C. F, B flat, C